Hey everyone, this is Fox Tech and welcome back to another video. This one's slightly different. So today I'll be unboxing the OnePlus Nord along with a little free gift that's inside this box, and it's kind of a big box. I got this sent through today. This was my pre-order from OnePlus, the 128GB of storage variant with 8GB of RAM in grey Onyx. So let's jump right into it and see what's inside this thing. So if we crack this open, we have the OnePlus Nord retail packaging, Nord on the front, OnePlus Nord on the side. OnePlus always do quite good packaging with their things. 128GB OnePlus Nord in grey Onyx, and then we also have the OnePlus Buds in Nord blue. So they were the two that I went for. 128GB phone and the Nord blue OnePlus Buds for free. These were £80 in the UK, but free with my pre-order. So let's crack these open first. Let's just smash these open quick before we get into anything else. Get it off to one side. How do you even get, okay, so it just comes out like this, and boom, there we have it. The OnePlus Buds in Nord blue. So the pill shaped case, and then the buds inside. Yellow inside, Nord blue outside. They are very much AirPods clones, as you can tell from the shape. They've basically just stuck this bit on the back and called it a OnePlus Bud. But they are less than half the price, so these things are very good value for money. I'll be testing the audio out and the battery life and all that kind of thing, and see how it works with my new OnePlus Nord. So stick them back in there. Oops. Stick them back in there, and then on to the main one. Here we go. So yes, I know the sides are made of plastic. Yes, I know 3 of the 4 cameras on the back are trash. But I've been waiting for this phone for a while. It's an absolute bargain. So please, 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 just let me get excited. Here we go, the OnePlus Nord. This way Nord. And I'm not gonna open this. This can be saved for another time. I don't care what's in there. Right now, we're gonna get into the phone. So, here it is. OnePlus Nord in grey Onyx. Very, very shiny on the back. I wish it was a matte finish. It isn't. I wish it was the matte finish, but they've gone with the metallic finish, the shiny look. It looks nice for a mid-range phone. It still looks pretty premium. There is your plastic sides, not glass, not metallic. It's plastic sides, both sides with metallic buttons. We have the alert slider, we have the power button, we have a microphone port on the top, the volume rocker on this side, and then the mono speaker, which I've heard some bad things about. Mono speaker on the bottom, USB-C, which is USB-C 2.0, I believe, and then the SIM card tray, which is also plastic. So yeah, the dual hole punch, which you can see there, the dual hole punch at the front. I'll be honest right now, OnePlus could have gone with 1 camera on the front, 1 camera on the back, and I would have been happier than the 6 cameras they've stuck on this thing right now. So we'll turn it on, but this was just a quick unboxing. I will be doing a full review. I will be bringing my thoughts in videos to come on everything from cameras to battery to what it is like compared to this, my absolutely demolished and smashed up OnePlus 7 Pro. That has taken a hammering. So here comes the new boy, and let's see how it gets on in comparison. The flat display is an upgrade, but yeah, just a quick unboxing to start the day, and let's get to work with the OnePlus Nord.